What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Photon install on mobile. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, you could actually use Photon install here on your mobile device through the Phantom app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Phantom app here. So I'm assuming you already have an account here for Phantom Wallet, but let's go open it up. Now at the bottom right of your screen, you should see a compass icon. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, as you can see at the very top, it has the option here that says sites, tokens, or URL. Now, since Photon install here is a site, you just need to type in the site section here. Just type in Photon, search for it. Now, there are going to be a number of searches here. So if you do get Google here, just go back one page, click on the back button here, and you should see Photon here, DeFi. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and just proceed on connecting our wallet. Let's go and click on Connect Wallet. From here, just click on Connect. Now, once you've done that, that should actually ask you to confirm or sign the message. Just go ahead and click on Sign, Confirm here. And as you can see, you should be able to start using the Photon website or Photon install here. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.